all of you beautiful people out there. It is me, Madison, and I hope you're doing so well today. Today, you guys, we are going to be doing the 100 chicken nugget challenge. Yes, ma'am, I am so excited to do this challenge. I'm both extremely nervous and excited, but today, you guys, I have 100 chicken nuggets in front of me. Of course, they're vegan, but I'm going to try to devour all of them today. I am both convinced that I can do it and utterly not convinced that I can do it, but I'm so excited to give it the good old college try, and that is what we are going to do today, you guys. So I was tagged to do this challenge by RDR Food Reviews, my boy, eat something, bitch. He tagged me to do this food review, and he actually ate all 100 chicken nuggets. I am thoroughly impressed. Like, words cannot explain. Like, that's my boy. Great job. I cannot even believe you did that. That's incredible. I was also tagged by, I have my notes down here, so that's what I'm looking at. Angela Eats, my queen. Hey girl, hey. I was also tagged by Sass ASMR on Instagram and Kaden Reese Foodie. So I'm gonna list their channels down below underneath the people that I tagged to do this challenge. So make sure you go check out their videos of them doing the challenge. So you're also supposed to tag 5 people that you want to do this challenge as well. I have a little bit more than 5. Please forgive me, but I want to tag my vegan queens out there, because you know McDonald's be already making all that money from everybody buying chicken nuggets, okay? So I'm tagging my vegan girls. Okay, so my first one is Niwa Leaf. Hey queen, I tag you, boo, love you. And then my second one is Skylar at Sunsets and Samosas. Third, my girl, Lisa at Hungry Herbivore ASMR. Yes, ma'am. And then, okay, where are we at? Fourth, Cami at Supreme Banana. Please do this challenge. And then, where are we at? Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth is Rose at Cheap Lazy Vegan. Oh my gosh, please do this challenge. Yes, ma'am. And then, okay, where are we at? Ashley Sprinkles. Kaden Reese actually tagged you, but I'm tagging you again. And then these are my honorable mentions because I don't know if they'll do it. But, okay, listen. Eden Jax. Because I love you, I'm tagging you in this challenge. I don't know if you'll do it, but hey, it's worth a try. And then the queen of all mukbangs, Mommy Tang. Hey! So I tag you in this challenge as well. Okay, you guys? So I'm gonna get started after I explain just a couple of things. I have my homemade vegan ranch right here. If you don't know how to make vegan ranch, I'm gonna link it right here. So if you don't know, you need to know. So click on that link right here. And then this is vegan honey mustard, which is just mustard, vegan mayo, and I put agave nectar. You could use vegan honey or apple honey. I just used agave nectar, and I used much less than what I usually use, which I'll explain later why. I'm very sad about it, but we will get to that in a minute. And then, you guys, we are going to be using some Memphis barbecue sauce, which is my favorite barbecue sauce. I love this barbecue sauce so much. I'm so excited about it. So here we go. I've got 100 vegan chicken nuggets right here. This is the 365 chickenless nuggets from Whole Foods. It's the cheapest one I could find. I was gonna go with the Morningstar, but they are more expensive and more come in a bag, I think, with these. So that is what we are going to be chowing down on today. And like I said, I've got exactly 100. Okay? Okay. So here we go. Okay, so from here on out, you guys, I'm not gonna edit or cut the video in any way, shape, or form, so sorry, this might be a long video, but on this side and this side, I have 50-50, and this metal straw is indicating, you know, half and half. So, let's get started, okay? Ready? Ready. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna start without some sauce and just see how they taste. I mean, because I'm a sauce queen, I'm already like, I need some sauce. I need some sauce. That really helps. And also, you guys, I sat purposefully on my couch back here so that if I have to lay down to continue eating, I can. There's some good ranch, man. I was talking to my friend. Oh, you guys know Callie. I mean, if you guys know Callie, she's been in some of my videos. I was talking to her today on the phone, and she was like, don't eat too much sauce. Don't eat, it'll fill you up. And I'm like, I think that'll be kind of hard. I'm gonna put this right here in the middle. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, you guys. If I fail at this, I've already decided what I'm going to do with all of the leftovers. This is actually pretty good, honestly. I'm gonna have some water. I want to talk to you guys so bad. Like, I feel like I have so much to tell you. Sorry, my bra stopped showing. Let me fix that. But I don't want to like stop eating because I feel like it's gonna slow me down. After these last two, I'm going to slow down a little bit. I'm going to turn down this heater thing because the chicken nuggets are getting really hard. Oh, not really hard, really hot. I can turn it up later. How do I turn this off? Are you off? No, you're still on. Leave. There we go. Okay. I took one from up top, right? I don't remember it falling. Okay. So after this one, that means 12. Fuck. Okay. Honey mustard. Mm-hmm. Now it's time for some barbecue sauce. Oh, you guys, I was supposed to tell you about my dentist. Not about my dentist, about the reason why I was eating less sugar or less agave nectar in my honey mustard. So I went to the dentist yesterday, this morning. It seems like yesterday. It's like, I think it's like 9 or 10 o'clock at night. I went to the dentist this morning at 7:30 this morning because I've been having some, okay, I'm going to take a break because I've been having some like pain right here in the back of my jaw and this tooth back here, which is my wisdom tooth. And I went in to get a cleaning, and then I was asking them to check it out to see what was going on. I had a burp. Sorry, you guys. I know you guys who don't like my... Kiki doesn't like him either. It's not an intruder, Kiki. It's just me. We're not gonna like that, so I'm sorry, but I gotta let it out. So I went. It's okay, baby. I went to go get my tooth checked out and get my teeth cleaned. And my dental hygienist, or the lady like that cleans your teeth, you know how when they go along, if you get your teeth cleaned and they go along with that little stick that fucking can hurt like a motherfucker. But she's going along going along, and she's like, da-da-da, like 1, 1, 2, and then like she's getting like to the back of my jaw, which is on the bottom, actually a lot. Like, it's like right here on the bottom. And she's like 1, 1, 1, and then she goes 2, 3, and then she gets to this one and she goes 5, and I'm like, 5? Because the higher you go in numbers, and I don't know, like when you get your gums checked out, means the higher the inflammation. And she's like, oh my gosh, this is at a 5. So she's like, okay, we gotta take x-rays immediately. So she takes x-ray. Come to find out, my wisdom tooth. I know, Kiki. Baby, it's okay. The wind is blowing outside really bad. And, Mama, it's okay. Don't worry. The wind is blowing outside really bad. It's like gonna freeze tonight. So the wind has just been going crazy and she does not like it. It's okay, baby. It's okay. So anyways, she tapped at the back of my tooth and she was like, oh my gosh, this is bad. So she took the x-rays. And my dentist came back and was like, okay, like, Madison, you're not going anywhere. She didn't say that, but I felt it, like, deep down in her plums. Her urgency. She was like, we need to get this tooth out. Apparently, Mama, what's okay? Huh. So good. Apparently, I need to get my wisdom teeth pulled out immediately. So that is what I have to go do tomorrow morning at 7:30 a.m. I'm not excited about it. And I have a cavity right here that I have to get taken out. Taken out? They don't take out cavities. I have to get filled too. Oh, you guys. My dentist was like, they took like x-rays in my whole mouth and she's like, you have a cavity here. We need to take these wisdom teeth out here and you have a cavity here. And I'm like, and she's like, she goes, you need to quit eating sugar. And I'm like, are you serious right now? Are you serious? Like, that's gonna happen. I was like, okay, I'll try. How many nuggets am I in? Let me finish this one and let's do a count. Because I'm getting full. Okay. I'm gonna unzip my skirt a little bit. Oh, that's better. Okay, let's see where I'm at. So if this side is 50, this is double stack. Okay, 50. You guys, like, I'm not. Whew. I am so full right now. I'm trying. Okay, I'm so sorry for the burps. I would cut them out, but like, I can't cut this footage. Okay, We got this. Okay. 50, and then these are stacks of, okay, so here's 5, so plus 5, so that's 60. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 70. I've only eaten 30? No. Okay, no, absolutely not. Okay. Recenter, regroup, namaste, you guys. Let's do this. My dentist is not going to be happy with me in the morning. Okay. I'm so full. I have to at least eat 50. Wait. Did I do that right? 50 plus 10 is 60. I've only eaten 30. Did I say that? I'm super nervous, you guys. Like, I can't even, like, my train of thought is so lost right now. I just really wanted to be able to complete this challenge, and, like, I'm so full right now that I don't even know if I can. Like, RDR, like, you are my hero. How did you do this? Okay. Whew. I want to be able to at least eat 50. I can do this. I can do this. I think I'm rushing. I'm sorry about the burps. If you guys know anything about me, you know that I burp. Relieves the stress. Okay. I want to at least complete this half. End goal. Okay, here we go. I'm good. I have to do it. I have to. Also, by the way, if I didn't say what I've decided to do with these, obviously, like, if I can't even barely make it through this half, I'm gonna make potato, like mashed potato casserole, and put these chicken nuggets on top of it. Like, how bomb would that be? I don't know if I can eat anymore, you guys. Oh, where am I at? I am so fucking full. Oh my god, I think my stomach's gonna explode. Everybody thinks that they can eat a freaking million chicken nuggets. But it's hard. Okay. I want to be able to eat 50. Maybe I should take a break. Maybe I'm going too fast. I'm just so nervous. I really wanted to be able to do it. Okay. Everybody takes their sweet time when they're eating. I feel like I'm powering through this, but I don't know. Who knows until I watch the footage back, but we'll see. I also feel like the top of my mouth is like raw from the breadcrumbs, like hitting the roof of my mouth and chewing on them, like it hurts. But also, if you guys know anything about me, I do not like uneven numbers. So I have to eat, if anything, I have to eat an even number of chicken nuggets. And my favorite number is 36. So, oh my God, did I already eat 36? Let's see. Okay, so 50 on this side, plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. So, if I eat one more, that'll be 36, right? And that's my favorite number. So might as well end on there. I don't know. Fuck, I really wanted to do this. Okay. So full. I'm so full. Like, it's ridiculous how full I feel. Okay. Here we go. My favorite sauce, ranch of all time. I don't even want to swallow this. Oh my God. You guys, I thought I had so much more. Okay, you guys, I made it to 36. I cannot believe that I couldn't eat more. I mean, how? I do not know, but that was so difficult. So I made it to 36. So there you are. Remember to check out all of the people that I linked in the description down below, as well as the people who tagged me in this challenge. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh my God. I want to die. I want to die.